That's fine. I'll give it to you, but you should know it. So that's the small signal model for the BJT, right? So now I'm going to connect it to the rest of the stuff. Since what I'm looking for is this is base, this is a collector, this is emitter, and I'm going to connect it to the rest of everything that I see. Now I'm looking into the base, so I'm not really connecting it to anything. This is where I want to basically do my calculation. So I'm going to come back to it later. But the emitter is connected to a 500 ohm, and then short circuited in parallel with a 300 ohm, right? So 500 ohm, 300 ohm, they're both ground. So that's 500, that's 300. Collector is directly shorted to ground. So this is my small signal model. That's all there is. Now, I'm asking for this resistance. So, what am I asking for when I say a resistance? No, conceptually, what am I asking for?
Voltage divided.
Thank you very much. So basically, what I'm saying, do the Ohm law. So connect it to a test voltage and look at the test current. So this is my VT, that would be my IT, and happens that IT actually is your IB, right? So you can quickly turn that to IT.
You want to call it VT because VT doesn't mean anything in terms of.
Thank you. Good.
I mean, like the
V,
fundamental question is that like.
V in, I in. And my RIV would be, by definition,
R pi. Or V in over ion.
any question here?
So, since given the point of where we were looking at for RI, we could ignore everything before it.
Look at this arrow.
Yeah, we're looking in from that point, so anything before it we can hear.
Other questions?
What was the equation for R pi for if we don't use it? We can give R pi.
Yeah, you're going to use it. Yeah. For
what?
now, let's just leave it as R pi.
For what though? Because you just take VI over IN. Are you just picking like 1 volt and then picking like what do you
Okay.
mean by
Yes, I didn't get your question. So this is the circuit.
Okay.
Okay. R pi is going to have a value. For now, let's just leave it as R pi, and then we'll get back to it. Actually, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to call this R E for now, and then come back to it. Okay, so circuit analysis. This is problem statement up to this point. That's actually important. You have to understand what the question is. When I ask for a resistance, that's 50% of the solution most of the time. So to understand what I'm asking for, this is what you need to do. When I say a resistance, you automatically recall that resistances are calculated based on a small signal analysis. So redraw the circuit in a small signal shape or mode or configuration, and then again recall what resistance means, which is Ohm's law, voltage divided by current. So then connect the voltage, label the currents, and this is the now problem statement. So once you do that, then you start doing the solution. For the solution, you have to label all the voltages. So that voltage is labeled, that's V in. this voltage is not, we call it VB. That current is labeled, this current is labeled, this current isn't. I'm going to call that IE. That passes through a RE, right? And we're done with the labeling. Now I'm going to start writing all the equations. We have a KCL. So I'm going to write the KCL. KCL is I in plus beta times I in is equal to IE. Be consistent. I'm going to do my capital. Doesn't matter. Right? Then the equations for components. So I in is equal to V in minus VE divided by R pi, and that's IE is equal to VE minus 0 divided by RE. Are we done? You're done. So from this, I have beta plus 1 time I in is equal to IE. So pick any of these two equations, maybe this one. And based on this, V in is equal to R pi times I in plus VE. And VE from that equation is this one. Now I have I in is equal to R pi I in plus IE RE. And then I know IE, how that relates to I in from this equation. Now I have V in is equal to R pi I in plus I in beta plus 1 time I in, right? RE. So if I looking for V in divided by I in, which is my RIB, that would be what? R pi plus beta plus 1 time RE. So RE is known. It's 300 ohm in parallel with 500 ohm. R pi is known. R pi has an equation. What was that? It was beta is 180, VT is 26 millivolts over that was 15.7 milliamp, right? So then you get R pi and you put it in there, you get RIB. So the equation that I said you're not, if you remember it correctly, I still don't allow you to use it.